Hello YouTube, Fred Bergeron here from Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. So this little tutorial, I want to show you how to toggle the door lock status with a single badge. Okay, so we get a lot of requests in tech support, and sometimes people are using a different route to do it in a very, I guess, complex way with virtual outputs and two programmable functions and things like that. But there's a little trick that's not well known with the ICT systems when you basically configure the reader or the door with a lock activation time set to 0. In this case, what's going to happen is going to toggle the lock status for every badge. So if you have an employee entrance, like some low security doors, let's say a corridor or a cafeteria entrance that you want to unlock on first badge and leave it unlocked for the day, that can be a useful feature to know about. Okay, so let's have a look in the Protege GX software, and let's have a look at how we can easily program this. First thing to do, I need to go under Programming and Doors. In this case, I'm using my second door, which is the employee entrance. And under the Outputs tab, make sure you set the lock activation time to 0, and then you can save. Okay. After the download is completed, the next thing to do under the Reader Expander section is to right-click on it and then update the module. Okay, this will basically push the changes to the Reader Expander. Okay, in this case, I'm using the onboard Reader Expander, so maybe the update was not required, but keep in mind, and if you do this on a Reader Expander, you will probably see a health status of 1 showing up, asking you to do a module update. But I prefer to do it anyway. Okay. So you hit the module update button, and then if I go to my all events page, you'll see that this is the command that was sent to the controller to update the module, and I'm just waiting for the module to be back online. Okay, so you should, in maybe 5-10 seconds maximum, you should see an event coming in. All right. All right, so my Reader Expander 1 is now back online. So you see the result of this programming. If I badge my card once, it will stay unlocked for as long as I want, until maybe there's an area set to relock a door group, or some other functions are set on schedule to relock doors. But in this case, it's basically like a latch unlock. Okay, so you see it's still unlocked more than the 5 seconds, which is a default value. So if I want to lock the door, I simply badge my card again. Okay, so this was a very simple trick, now that you know about it, and I hope you liked the video. Again, please hit the like button, the subscribe button for our channels to receive notifications. We will have new videos online. Make sure to visit the Inaxsys.com website if you want some more details about our products. If you want to reach out to the sales team or support team, you can reach us from there. I hope you liked the video. Again, my name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. See you soon.